Today we're installing a new Sonny Power 36V 105Ah lithium battery on a EasyGo TXT. Start by setting the parking brake. Next, turn the key to the off position. Now remove the seat by tilting it up and pulling it straight off the cart. Set it aside in a safe place. Locate the run tow switch and place it in the tow position. Find the original charging receptacle on the vehicle. From the rear of the receptacle, look for the wire used for the drive-off safety feature. It is usually the thinnest wire among the three. After confirming it, disconnect and cut that wire at the back of the charging port. Find the drive-off safety wire that was removed earlier from the factory charging port. This wire must receive constant power for the controller to operate correctly. Install a 5/16 ring terminal onto the end of the wire. Drill out and remove the 4 rivets securing the original charging port. After the factory port is removed, mount the Sonny Power charging port in its place and secure it using the supplied mounting hardware. Securely mount the Sonny Power charger in a location that is protected from direct water exposure. Ensure there is sufficient clearance around the cooling fan, at least 6 inches, to allow proper airflow and prevent overheating. Attach the gray Quick Connect plug to its matching connector on the charging port, ensuring a secure and proper connection. With the original lead-acid batteries removed, the compartment no longer has a floor base. Measure the space carefully and cut 2 pieces of waterproof plywood to fit. Install them to create a sturdy, water-resistant floor base for the cart. Now install the Sonny Power lithium battery into the cart. The mounting brackets were previously attached to the battery and should align perfectly with the compartment, ensuring a secure fit. Secure the mounting brackets to the plywood base by drilling pilot holes and fastening them with screws, ensuring the battery is held firmly in place. Clean the area thoroughly using a vacuum to remove any dust or debris. Place the Sonny Power DC to DC 12-volt converter in a secure and easily accessible spot on the cart for convenient access and stable mounting. Attach the DC to DC wire harness to the DC to DC converter. Make sure the connection is fully seated and secure. Use the 12-volt converter installation guide as a reference to complete the DC to DC wiring. Wiring requirements may vary based on the cart model and installed accessories. In some cases, additional connectors, distribution blocks, or tools may be required to finish the installation. If you have any questions, refer to the manual or contact support. Connect the cart's original 12-volt positive red wire to the positive lead on the DC to DC harness and connect the negative lead to the corresponding negative wire on the harness. Remove any screws securing the dash panel. Each cart is different. On this model, a plastic cover is present. Remove the cover as well, along with the cup holder, to fully access the dash area. Select an appropriate mounting location for the LCD battery meter before cutting any openings. Verify that the meter cable can be routed to this location and that there is adequate clearance behind the panel. Once confirmed, cut the opening using a 2 1/16 inch 52 mm hole saw or install the meter using the optional mounting bracket not included. To connect the state of charge (SOC) meter to the battery, feed the meter harness through the hole and route the cable beneath the cart. Carefully guide the harness back to the battery compartment, securing it along the underside with zip ties to keep it protected. Reinstall the dash plastic cover and secure it with screws. Then connect the SOC meter display to the corresponding harness connections. Also, connect the communication cable to the corresponding port on the charger, ensuring both are secure. Now, connect the 1.44-inch charge indicator by plugging it directly into the battery. Next, connect the CAN communication cable to the battery. Attach all positive wires to the battery's positive terminal, including the main positive, the orange and yellow wires from the DC to DC harness, the charger's positive lead, and the drive-off safety wire. Ensure each connection is properly seated and securely tightened for safe and reliable operation. Connect the negative wires to the battery's negative terminal. This includes the ground cable, the blue wire from the DC to DC harness, and the negative lead from the charger. Make sure all connections are secure for proper operation. Finally, place the seat back onto the cart, ensuring it's properly aligned and securely positioned. Now, let's test the system to ensure everything is functioning properly and see how smoothly the cart runs with the new Sonny Power Lithium upgrade.